Hello, if you want to see how I achieve these big beans, keep watching. Hello, how you guys doing? Welcome back. This is Lady B. I hope you guys are doing safe. So in today's recipe, we are going to be cooking moi moi. And that's my washed beans, my fresh pepper, cooked eggs, shrimp, tomato, olive oil, salt, seasoning cube. So we'll go ahead to blend our beans. So we are going to continue blending until we're done blending all the black eyed pea. So I will add to my bowl and I will still continue the process. So make sure your beans is blended very smooth. It's smooth when blending. So now I added to my bowl again. I will repeat the process until I'm done with the whole beans. So this is the last beans. I added salt. I added some seasoning cube. So I'll go ahead and blend everything together. So I'm done blending. I'll pour to my bowl and I'll add my tomato puree. I'll mix together. Mix together and I'll be adding olive oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. So after that, I will mix together thoroughly. I tasted for salt. The salt was okay. So now I'm going to brush my cup. I'll brush it with some olive oil so that when your beans, your moi moi is cooked, it can easily go out from the cup. So I'm adding my beans to my cup. So after that, I'll be adding some shrimp and boiled egg. So I preheated my oven to 200 census, 60 minutes. I put it inside my oven and it was there after 30 minutes. I came to check on it with my stick. So it was not yet cooked. So I put it again for another 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, guys, this is our baked moi moi. You can use it to eat fried rice, jellof rice, pap, custard, bread. Enjoy.